Hallelujah! In today's sermon, we are going to talk about new coronavirus. New coronavirus is also in the big family of coronaviruses. However, we are not going to concentrate on the definition of coronaviruses. We are going to tell you how you need to prevent yourself from contacting coronaviruses. Coronaviruses, you need to, in order to thoroughly prevent yourself from having coronaviruses, you need to wash your hands regularly and well. You need to wash your hands well and regularly. You need to stay home. The government has encouraged physical distancing. I need you to get me well. This is physical distancing. It's not social distancing, because people should remain socially connected in order to make the society very enjoyable, and the human being to keep progressing and whatever. Hallelujah.
Missing